Hey guys, so doing a quick 5-minute makeup tutorial. So I'm not using any kind of foundation for this look because foundation is something that I don't even use every day, neither should you. So this is something that I tend to use every day if I'm just stepping out for a meeting, or if someone's just come at home, I just wanna, look a little decent, not bhangi type. So I'm just gonna do this type of look. This is very minimal products and very basic stuff. So do keep on watching to know more. So I'm literally the kind of person who will use one product for everything. That's me. So this is the Wet n Wild. So it's basically transparent like this. But then when you actually use it on your face, it takes your pH level of your skin. So it makes it pinkish, glowish. I'm sure you already know about such products. I'll link this one down as well. But it's a damn nice product. It's Tint of Corruption. Okay, that's the name. Tint of Corruption. Wet n Wild. So what I do is I just use this on my cheeks. So as you can see, it's already turned pink like that, and it gives a very natural finish to the skin. It's not at all very loud. And this does not even include using any kind of brushes or anything like that. This is a very quick and simple tutorial. Yeah, so see, it's just a nice flush. You can also increase it if you guys like, or just let it be the way it was. Do moisturize and do your skincare routine first, and that's the whole thing. I really focus on my skincare more so that I don't really have to wear foundation and focus a lot on hiding blemishes or whatever it is. And even if I have pimples or blemishes, it's really no big deal. It's just pimples. So yeah. Anyway, so the same thing I'm gonna end up using on my eyes as well. It'll be like a monotone, monochromatic, whatever that word is, look. And I'm just gonna blend it out. See, very subtle, nice tint that went on the eye. And I'm gonna use the same on my lips. See, told you, sucker for just one product. It gives a nice tint to the lips. You can always, as I said, you can always make it more darker or however you guys like it. Next thing I'm gonna use is a nude pencil by this is by PAC. You can use any brand, or you could use a kajal, up to you. It's just that during the day, if I'm stepping out, I like using nude. At night, I like using kajal. Logic kuch nahi hai, it's just what I like. Okay, so this actually makes your eyes look nice and big during the day, and at night it's actually the black kajal that makes your eyes nice and big. Then I'm going to use the eyeliner. So I'm going to put this offline and come back. So because I've put the eyeliner on, it's a very simple basic eyeliner, no wing, nothing. Not a big fan of wings either, as I said, just basic stuff. Then I'm using a Volume Million Lash Mascara. You can use any mascara if you want, or if you're planning to buy a mascara, go for this one. It is a killer mascara. Here, can you guys already see the difference? That's how good this mascara is. Highlighter is something I never forget. So highlighter is something that I always do. Liquid or the powder one, whatever you guys want to use. And then just pat it out. That's it, you're done. That's quick, simple. So it's like literally, I think I used 5 products, and this doesn't even take 5 minutes. It's like under 5 minutes. So that's how quick it is. So if you are ever in a hurry and you just want to put on a few things, look a little like put a little makeup on kind of a thing, go for this. That's all you need. This is like a super quick and easy tutorial. I've literally used like 4-5 products. red lipstick or this kind, even if you don't have this kind of lipstick, right, even if you have a nice matte red lipstick, or even if it's a cream lipstick or pinkish or nudish, whatever shade it is that you guys like, use it on your cheeks, lips, little bit on the eyes, and you're good to go. That's all you need. So yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, do consider subscribing to my channel. My channel is all about makeup, skincare kind of stuff. So I'm also there on Instagram. Do consider following me there as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.